Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. I just did a video about this monkey's face, and I either misunderstood or did not know. They are evidently printing this, and they want everything in the face to be white. We removed some white, and then somebody commented on Facebook that you'd have to change his ear, around his ear, and make it solid. So let's left click, right click, and take the virtual segment delete key and delete this. Now we can go back with the Smart Fill tool and pick black and fill it in. So now we're back to where we were. I'm going to have trouble putting white. This is going to be, it's just, there's too many, if we start going with a white fill, then you lose some of the detail. So let's try this because there is some black there. Let's try this. Grab it all, let's see how big this thing is. A little over 10 inches. I go out and my nudge factor set good. I'm gonna select it all and make a boundary. And then move the boundary out and make the boundary white. And then you would want to make it, if you're a printer, then you want to make it whatever white you want. Let's move it back. Go to Object, Order, Back a Page. And then let's take away the yellow. Well, I've got the yellow locked, so I couldn't move it, so I'm going to unlock. Now, let's make the yellow to the back of page. And now it worked. So now you've got white everywhere I think that they want it. That looks pretty cool. I mean, I guess she's going to print it as a sticker. It's kind of hard to tell. That's why the yellow box is so important. Let's make the yellow box red so we can just make sure it's kind of working. So you've definitely got a white. So just, if you try to start filling in some white, you're going to lose, but you needed to close off that ear. And they also said something about the left eye, but I don't see a leak there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.